for the position of Filipino teacher at the secondary or high school level. I am currently completing my Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino, and I am excited to begin my professional teaching career here. I am passionate about teaching and helping students to achieve their academic goals. I choose a career in education because I believe that teachers play an important role in shaping the knowledge, values, and future of young people. Through my experiences as a student teacher and high school educator, I discovered the joy of helping students learn and grow. Seeing students to develop their confidence and succeed in their studies motivates me to become a dedicated and effective teacher. My teaching philosophy is centered on student learning and engagement. I believe that every student has the ability to learn when given a proper guidance, encouragement, and opportunities. As a Filipino teacher, I aim to create meaningful learning experiences that develop not only a language skills but also critical thinking, creativity, and appreciation for Filipino culture and values. I want my classroom to be a place where students feel motivated, respected, and encouraged to participate actively. I understand that students have different learning styles and abilities. To address these differences, I will use a variety of teaching methods such as discussions, group activities, visual presentation, storytelling, and technology-based learning. So I will also encourage collaboration and provide support to students who may need additional assistance to create an inclusive environment. So I will promote a respect, fairness, and open communication so that every student feels valued and comfortable expressing their ideas. If I encounter a disruptive student, I would remain calm and address the situation professionally. So, first, I would remind the student of the classroom rules and expectations. If the behavior continues, I would speak with the student privately to understand the reason behind the behavior and help find a solution. I believe in building positive relationships with students while maintaining discipline and respect. If necessary, I would work with the parents, guidance counselors, and school administrators to provide additional support. I keep students engaged by making lessons interactive and relevant to their lives. I use real-life examples, group discussions, educational games, multimedia presentations, and collaborative activities. I also encourage students to ask questions and share their opinions. By connecting lessons to their experiences and interests, students become more motivated and participate and learn. I would want my students to describe me as a supportive, inspiring, and also a dedicated. So first is for being supportive because I will always be willing to help them to overcome their challenges and achieve their goals. So next is inspiring because I want to encourage them to believe in themselves and strive for excellence. So the last one is for being dedicated because I am committed to providing quality education and support their growth both academically and also personally. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself and share my teaching philosophy as a graduating of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. I am eager to contribute my knowledge, skills, and passion for teaching to your school community. I look forward to the opportunity to inspire and guide students towards success. Thank you for your time and consideration. Have a wonderful day.